Kanti uring.
Re checkile
Ya ga akere wa cheat. Then ungithathele lana ku search uthi I love you.
Ke a kopa
Ukupa eng?
ke kopa phone ka bag.
Why? Awuthema wahleka wedwa manje kwenzakalani? No ifunde.
Hello, Sanbonani Dumelangu Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembanana. Do you trust each other? My name is Lisa Sirami and of course Ntombi Yase Hebecha. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country right here in the streets of Auckland Park. Of course, Musa is with me, my bodyguard and my silent protector who protects me like certain things protects me.
Hey yo, boom! Boy, King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umdimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase umavela ngokhala umabhodwa amanzi abafokazana bebhodwa utshwala. Welcome to another episode of Niyathembanana. We're in the streets of Johannesburg bafethu. We're looking for beautiful couples, for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi. And sifuna ukwenza show ukuthi sithele itswayi baba.
As I said, we're in Auckland Park looking for abantu abajolayo couples. And of course, it is your favorite show, Couples Switching Phones. I'm back to fix the country, but I always say if the country's not fixable, there's nothing I can do. No mercy for cheaters. But of course, I am here to fix. The objective is to fix. All right, I'm looking for couples. We're in the streets of Auckland Park. Honey, today I'm serving you vanilla. I'm serving you ginger. I'm serving you lemon. I'm serving you a stove for sexy. All right, I see a couple. I see a couple. Too soon for this. All right. Curvaceous. Hi, guys. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. My name is Lisa. Ne? I've got a show, guys, called Niyathembanana. Do you mind if I just ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
You look worried. Sister, relax. Just a few questions.
Okay.
All right, can we walk? All right, what's your name, Pedro?
Kanyiso.
Nkanyiso.
Yebo.
And then?
Tuli.
Nkanyiso and Tuli. Yeah. Okay, you guys are obviously together.
Yeah.
Okay, how long have you guys been together?
A year.
A year.
Yeah.
So the honeymoon phase is over. What's going on? So are you guys thinking of marriage? What's going on?
Yeah, we just got engaged recently.
Really? You got engaged recently? Ah, girly. Okay. When did you guys meet?
September.
Yeah, at work.
At work. And you guys still work together? All right. Okay, Putwam, then what do you like about sis?
Mawengane zami.
Ah, how many?
Like sengisho ukuthi kuzovuma wengane zami.
Oh, yeah.
Step sokuqala
Yeah. Really? So you are sure?
ngiyamthemba.
Okay. So what do you like about him?
Uphansi uyanginaka.
I can see that.
Uyangithanda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Ngithanda lokho nje.
Okay. And then in the past, has there been any history of infidelity? Zero. Why do you look unsure? Are you sure?
Asikazami sizozama.
Nizozama uchitha?
Hayi.
What do you mean nizozama? Sizozama uthini?
Ukuthi akangithembi.
Oh.
Ungaku ungangithembi. Kodwa ayikho nento ayibambekayo esho ukuthi akana reason yokungangithembi kahle kahle
Really?
ukuthi angazi ukuthi yinenza.
Are you rosy? But you are still and you are here and you are firm that this is your woman.
Umuntu wami lo mama.
Okay, so she's never gone through your phone when you say she doesn't trust you and she's suspicious sometimes.
Hayi ngeke ifoni hayi. Awuvele ngeke ayithole ifoni yakho. Hayi ngoba ngiganga kodwa asikho isidingo sokuthi azithathe ifoni yami.
Ubaba ekhaya ukujongwa phone ne?
Hayi.
Head of the home.
No, asikho vele ayikho into engiyenzayo ayikho lento engenza ukuthi kufanele athathe ifoni yami nama ngiyithinta ifoni yakhe.
Oh, are you sure?
Ngiyithini ngiyamthemba.
Sisifama akayithinta ifoni yakho?
Hayi akayithinta.
Okay, even Jay, if by any chance he would be left alone with your phone, akayithinta.
Unokuthinta maybe athi ucela ukuyenza i-phone call
but
bengikhona.
angengene ku-WhatsApp ngangene
You don't want to see things.
angifuni izinto
manga.
ezizogcina
Yeah. Okay. Well, I've got a surprise for you. Just a little surprise, ne? It's a couple activity to strengthen your relationship, right? It's basically called couples switching phones. Ne? You guys switch your phones for 30 seconds.
ngeke ifoni yami
Yes. Yeah.
ima
30 seconds.
Why?
ima ufuni wenzani efonini yami
She needs to check your messages like your WhatsApp, go through your Instagram or Facebook. To strengthen the relationship, you guys are about to get married, guys. You guys are engaged. If you were to do it this one time, would it really hurt?
Kodwa phambi kwama-camera sisi.
ima manje nami into engididayo why amakhamera kufanele bekhona nawo
No, and this is my show, and we do this to strengthen couples. If you were to really see, by hey, there's really nothing here. This is your person. And if she were to see, hey, there's really nothing on my man's phone. Oh, really? Are you sure? But you just said akakuthembi lo.
mina
Yellow phone lo, akakuthembi.
mina ngiyamthemba
But akakuthembi yena sisi.
Angimthembi kodwa ukuthi sisi amafoni esitradeni ama-camereni sisi.
Asiblief toch.
Hayi.
This
Ayikho
one
indlela
time, guys.
esiyenza ngayo.
Huh? It's my birthday.
Hayi sisi.
It's my birthday, guys.
Esitradeni e-TV.
okay anginankinga nefoni but asingayi ku-WhatsApp
Ufihla
not
ntoni?
angifihli like angifihli lutho
But you must go, okay, can you go through Instagram and Facebook and stuff?
okay mhlawumbe singangena ku-Facebook
What's on WhatsApp, guys?
okay kulungile singangena naku-WhatsApp
Uyikhiphe ifoni.
Okay. Oh, I keep.
Makayiveze.
Sisam,
ngayiphi
eyakho
kuqala?
now.
siqala ngayiphi
We'll start with yours.
why yami
Hey, because you're the head of the home and it's breadwinner.
Khiphe.
okay
Danko, Suswam,
Niyami
I need yours as well.
zibhekwa kuwo. Phela
No, sibhekwa nguye now.
like manje kanje.
Yes, guys.
Yo,
It's my
aye.
birthday.
Hayi inzima lento eyikhulayo.
It's the big 25. I'm turning 25.
Yo.
Thank you. You see the Scotching Sun? I can't try out every couple in Auckland Park. So many people have said no. I had to beg you guys. All right, Mzansi, it's about that time. Couples switching phones, Mtanami. Guys, I'm going inside. Put on protection. All right. Okay, this is hers, ne?
yes
All right. Hold here. And then this one is yours. Okay. Why
Cela
you?
ushifte ngama-camera.
why le nto kumele siyenze kunekhamera
Why you panic? Hasn't panic, guys. It's my birthday.
kase umbuzo ukuthi why kumele siyenze kunekhamera
Because it's my birthday. I'm trying to start a company. Okay, is it on?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Oh, we don't need a password, ne?
Okay.
Okay. All right, so some is starting on WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. What's your name, Mkanyiso, ne? Hi, Pegela.
Mina funa ngibone ukuthi ungena kuphi
Pegela. WhatsApp.
Ngibone ukuthi ungena kuphi
All right. Okay, but stand this side. Stand this side, okay, if you want to see. Okay, right there. I love you. Oh, ngiyakuthanda. You guys speak Zulu, mos?
Yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuthanda. Okay. Okay, look, let's look through. No, mos, that's you, ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. Then type ngaphandle.
Ngaphandle. Okay.
Khawuthi gubhu twami cela space. Cela space. All right. I miss you, ne? Oh, ngaphandle. What did you type there?
Ngaphandle.
Oh, okay.
Yini?
Ah, okay. Did you archive anything? Why are you panicking? Because your phone is clean.
ngewazi ifoni
Sikubona izinto apha. All right. Type I miss you. Ngiyakukhumbula.
awufanele ngabe senibonile ukuthi akukholi ukuthi ngilenjani
Asapanic.
Hawu. Nayi.
Hi, man. Why are you panicking? Why are you panicking?
cha ngipheniki phela nje ngitshela ukuthi ifoni ngeke uyazi izinto ezifonini ezinye ungangazi ukuthi
Nah.
zingene nini kanjani
I understand. I've been in that situation. Okay. I guess it's for me. I don't see anything. Maybe write a heart emoji at the top.
Okay.
Let's see who he's sending hearts to. Okay.
Ubani lo?
Who is that?
Ubani lo?
Check it date.
Go into the conversation. No, but it looks innocent.
Ubani babe lo?
Awuthandeka lo.
Muphi uthandeka?
Usisi wami usithale uyabo ithi hathi le ngireply
It does look
status.
it does look innocent, yeah.
Ngireply ku status futhi akusina uthi hathi.
So shake, don't shake, Kaloksan. All right. Facebook. We're not done. Oh. Facebook inbox. All right. But I mean, I don't see anything suspicious.
Facebook angiyangena nanomuntu ojwayele uku-inbox abantu.
Yeah, I was explain. Yeah. Okay. You don't have Instagrammers.
No.
Hi, Kemi, I'm satisfied, Siswam. Your man is your man. Yeah, but it's not Istembu. You're not sharing him. Ne? Zupla, should be pink. Okay. Next. You don't have a password. I have a password. The password. Oh yes, I can see it. Yo, what a pattern. Did you know a pattern? You don't know a pattern? Okay. Hi, Kev. What's up? Okay, type there. I love you, guys. He is shaking.
Phela yabo mazothinta ifoni yamama.
Yo,
Khona ngingafuni ukuyithinta kahle kahle.
yo. Are you scared? Yes, up.
I love you.
Okay. You said you nkanyiso, right? Hey, bo.
Ubani lo? No. No, I love you about 3 la. Sisingene kusipho.
Who's Sipho?
Usakhuluma naye?
Hi, bo. Is he an ex? What's it? Usakhuluma naye?
Bathi uyamshela.
Ulo kade angihlupha ngithi ngakutshela.
But why are you still chatting?
Uyangihlupha ngithi bekalontuza.
But mina ukuvumelana kwami nawe sathi ngiblock.
Why didn't you block him?
Ngiblokile ungatsapele ngenye namba.
But you saved it. Why? When I saved?
Nokuthi into ekufuna ngabe yenze phela la kunenkulumo and if
There's a conversation here,
ufuna
Swam.
uzibona ukuthi uyena why
Phezulu
ungamhluphi
bekangakazichazi bekasangistoka.
akuyonto yosuku
This is not what
olulodwa
we're seeing.
at least mawubona ukuthi uyena indaba
Phezulu bekangasho akashongo ukuthi bekawubani uyabona.
Why, at which point did you save him as Sipho? Did you call?
After 2 days makaloku angatsapha.
And then what? I love you.
no yini enye engayazi
Sibona izinto apha.
Lo bhuti lo uyangibhora.
Sibona izinto apha. Sibona izinto apha. Explain to some what's happening. This is the man who engaged you, the breadwinner. Ithini?
Uyangihlupha
uyibonile
uyazi.
ifoni yami ayikho into
But
erayithole
there's nothing. This man is loyal.
ayikho into
This man is loyal. Yeah, you Ruza when. To a loyal man.
Sithando sami uyangihlupha lo muntu lo ayingizabona ukuthi
inkinga
bengayazi le
iqala
namba.
kuphi
But why are you saying I love you?
Anti bengifuna ukuthi aphume kimi ngilale.
Oh, so you tell him I love you, don't block
Nangu
him.
angithi uyabona isikhathi abo 10
But didn't you block him? Why do if you're Khlupa, why don't you block him?
Kuyafana bengiblock
You are
uzowatsa
telling you
ngenye.
Ruza. Why don't you block him? Yamthanda Sipho.
Angimthandi sis angithi bekayenza ngale ngiyablock uzongwatsapha ngenye.
No, you can't. He asked you to block him. If your partner asked you to block someone, you block them.
as soon as ubona ukuthi uyena
Exactly, you're supposed to block him.
Sithando sami ngimblockile uWhatsApp ngenye bengiblock
Why did you block the second one?
lama ukhuluma naye akusiyo ilanga eli1 nikhulumile kulungile bewungazi ukuthi uyena naphinda nakhuluma wazi ukuthi uyena still nakhuluma wazi wathi wena
And there could be conversation.
mina uyangibuka ngifake iring mina ubona kahle
One is dwedwe. Explain sis. Why did you cheat?
futhi mina ngijoli ngoba ngeke ngikwazi ukujola akuwena akufiki ukuthi ngoba
You
ngiyakuthanda
tongue tied. Why did you cheat? Do you want Sipho? Who do you want? Do you want Nkanyisa or do you want Sipho?
Angithona uhlala uhamba utravela ngalento zakho ubuya late endlini.
Ah.
Awunginaki.
cha mina ngalokuthi ngeke ngihlale endlini still kodwa ekugcineni ubonile ifoni yami and ifoni yami yazi
Yes.
ukuthi why ngihlala ngiyishiye kwesikhathi ngisuke ngishiyela kona ukuthi noma ingaringa uyazi ifoni yami
Yeah.
Uqala nini ifoni?
kodwa mina sikazi sibambe ifoni because ifoni yami uyazi ukuthi ngisho ngiphume endlini ngiyamtshela ifoni yami ayiringi uyi-answer yabo because ngiyazi ayikho into erong engiyenzayo
Yeah.
okay
Okay,
Yeah,
you said you stopped talking to Sipho Kanye and you wanted to block him. Uyakhlupa. Did that conversation happen over phone call?
Ngimtshelile ukuthi
Let's call him and ask him. Let's call him and ask
Angina
him.
airtime.
I do. Lily says cell phone. Thank you. You won't have a problem if you call Sipho, ne? Let's call Sipho Butwam and ask if she's telling the truth. What's the number? Tell me just.
ukuthi kuyafana nje lokho engikubonile mina engafuthi ngilokho
Yeah.
engingakwazi ukuthi ngempela iyona
Guys, he's shaking. Ziambo Roma. Oh, okay. Oh, Lily, the viewers asked you to get a new phone, when man. Hey.
They must send money. How? They must send money. Send money.
They must send money, they must donate.
Yeah, they must send money.
Wait, I'm gonna put him on speaker. All right.
Hello?
yeah sure
All right.
Ukraine
Nishab.
yeah ukhuluma nonkanyiso
Kanyiso from
ngemazithule
Ngemazuthuli. Why?
kwenzakalani phakathi kwakho ngayo
Thulu Kelwami. Why food?
awu right bengifuna ukuzwa lokho nje bhuti wami ngiyabonga
Thuli.
ekusuya relax kushuthi uqama manga lo mfethu noma yimini isilimo
Who's that?
Uyazi ukuthi uyangihlupha baby.
He just said you his girl. Umuntu wakhe.
Uyangihlupha ngithi uyazi.
Yini phone yakho yuru
yuru
yuru.
nyami mina ngiphume kanje ayikho into
Uphuma
engizoyisho
uyazi.
I'm so disappointed siswami.
Oh.
Yayiruza, yayiruza. Bathi yayiruza. Ufuna ngibathi ufuna ngishaya manje. Ufuna ngishaya. Hayi Jurex yamakaza kuyeka.
uzothatha into zakhe endlini yami
Siswami, why did you cheat?
My baby.
Uh-uh.
Ngicela ungiyeke.
No, let him go because when you cheat on a good man, ne, that's what you
Baby,
do.
whoa.
That's what you do.
Baby, whoa.
No. Nganyiso bhuti wami.
yini ungayizwanga sisiwena
Huh?
wena ngokwakho yini ungayizwanga
Why is she cheating? I want to know why she's cheating.
Uzwana nami noma
wena
uzwana
thola
nami.
nosipho hayi nami
Uzwana
Yes, ujala noSipho. Ne?
khona ungayizwanga but khona ungayizwanga khona ungayizwanga
Ngikhuluma na baby, ngikhuluma nawe.
Uyamyaka bhuti wami, are you going to leave her? Or are you going to fix it?
angiboni ukuthi khona into ezokwenza ngeke ukhulume nomuntu into eyodwa
Into eyodwa because you told him.
angiyena uthanda ukula
Yeah.
Ngiyazi ukuthi
ngeke ukhulume nomuntu into eyodwa siyoqeda inyanga manje
Yeah.
lo muntu uzokuhlupha 4 months akaboni ukuthi uma kufanele uthi yena hayi
And why can't you let Usipho go then?
uSipho uyangihlupha.
uqeda kuyikhulumela yena manje
Yeah,
ukuthi
uyakhuluma. But why is he saying you his girl?
Angithi ngoba vele
uzosaniselanda into zakho
Angilandi izinto ngicela sikhulume.
No, but at least try to fix it.
sizoyilungisa kanjani because kuyacaca
Do you promise to at
abantu
least
ngama-camera.
block Sipho? If she promises to block Sipho at least.
ufuna ungitshela ukuthi
Uyangihlupha.
yabo into yokuqala kumele uyazi
Mm.
usiphi inamba yakho uyithatha kuyena
Yes, exactly.
uyithatha
Where did it
ngeke
where did it
ungitshela ukuthi
Uyithatha kimi kanjani?
uyithathe kuphi
Angithi unabangani cousin yami umngani kaSipho. Bothi uyithatha kimi kanjani?
wena amakhazini akho shithi noma singashada noma kungenzakalani
Angayintshontsha,
kila amakhazini akho
angithi
azothatha
bayahlala
inamba yakho
bonke
ayinikeze
bathile.
noma
Yeah.
Bayachila bahlala.
No, your story doesn't make sense, sister.
Sisi wayulwisana mara.
But I was trying to
Why
fix, but you're
ulisana?
cheating.
Wayulwisana.
But Angiti, you're cheating.
Mhlawumbe uthunyelwe uSipho itrap.
ayekho umuntu othuma
To-
omunye wena because akamthumanga ukuthi uyena umfakele efonini yakho
Yeah.
Akamfakanga.
Kengoku.
ngisacela
But can you try and fix at least?
ayikho into esizoyilungisa
Yeah.
Sisi tu.
But Siswam, yo, I think I'm gonna wrap it up, guys, because ngizoshaywa manje. Guys, please try and fix your problems. Please try and fix your problems, guys. This is CMTV. Okay, we are still tuned in. Siswam. So you could better because amaziphi nails isana. Yo, angantini. Yo, let's go, guys. Me, I'm done. I think I'm done. Are you gonna block him? Are you gonna block him? Are you gonna? Why do you wanna hit me? Because you're the one cheating. Huh? I'm Lisa. Butwam, are you done?
Ngiyabonga my sister, ku-right.
Hmm?
Ku-right, hayi ngiyabonga.
And you done? You're not gonna try and fix it?
Ngeke ayikho into ongayilungisa. Kuthi kancane amakhamera, ngeke ulungise lento. Ufuna ungitshela ukuthi yini ezoyilungisa okokuqala, okwesibili, okwesithathu.
Oh, it's not the first time.
Hey, kudala ngikhuluma lento yalo muntu kudala.
Yeah.
Khona manje uqeda kungitshela ukuthi intombi yami intombi yakhe.
Exactly.
Uqeda ungitshela intombi yami.
And now you're engaged.
Kufanele mina kubantu engihlala ngikhuluma ngaye ngizothini mina kubona. Ngizothini mina kubona.
Yeah, ngiyaxolisa Butwam, need to ruin your day.
Ngiyaxolisa ngiyabonga.
Okay, Butwam, have a nice day, Butganyeso. All right, guys, I'm about to wrap up. It is getting heated. I do not want to get beaten up, honey. Look at the face. You're still watching CMTV Nia Tembanana. Do you trust each other? I was hoping to fix, but the country is unfixable. My name is Lisa Sirami Ntombi. Yase Qhebeka. See you on the next episode.
Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Bathi umdimandi umabuya ubambolunya uhlase. Umavela ngokhala umabhodwa amanzi abafokazana bebhodwa utshwala. Welcome to another episode of Niyathembana Na. We're in the streets of Johannesburg, bafethu. We're looking for beautiful couples, for lovers, abantu abanomjolo phakathi. And sifuna ukwenza show ukuthi sithele itswayi baba.